was I saying? Give me one. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. Nah, I'll tell him. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. And I gotta make a correction. Grandma here told me I was saying it's raining when I really meant it's cold. So last podcast I kept on saying, Burr, give me one. Like, Burr, it's raining. What I meant to say was, Burr, gisana, it is cold. Gisana, it is cold. So yeah. And I thought about taking it down and redoing the podcast. But you know what? Why don't I just tell you? So before you write in, um, yeah, Grandma just told me. So sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Nimaanendam. I'm sorry. Okay, let's do that. Nimaanendam. I'm sorry. The last podcast, when I said give me one, I meant gijade. Gijade. I meant gisana. When I said give me one, I meant gisana. All right. So whatever. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast where I'm only human, you know. I will see you again. Kigo wabamin minowa hoa. All right. Okay then. Think that'll keep the letters away, Grandma?